Welcome to Aquatica, and more importantly, thank you guys for supporting us. I see a lot of familiar faces out there as we unveil our newest attraction, Tassie's Underwater Twist. For the last 4 years, Aquatica has been named the country's #1 water park, and it's really a testament to our creative services team who develop and create unique, one-of-a-kind attractions, and of course, our ambassadors that work at this park day in, day out and deliver an excellent experience. Now, Tassie's Underwater Twist, right here behind me, is the world's most immersive water slide. I've been able to slide this attraction over the weekend, and I'll tell you, when you guys ride it here in about 15 minutes, you'll think of things like never before or one of a kind. You'll think about things like immersive, because you will slide down our tube and into our Super Bowl, and you'll be in the middle of a 360 fully encompassed projection system with audio. It'll transport you guys virtually to Australia's Shark Bay, where you will see whales coming into the frame. You'll see sea turtles, schools of fish, even a shark, and it's always going to be a different and unique experience as you slide. This attraction the ride vehicle for this attraction is a double raft, so it can accommodate one rider or two riders together. From a height requirement, which everyone's always kind of curious about what the height requirements are, this ride has always not had a height requirement. So we do require our riders who are 48 inches or below to wear a life jacket. As long as you can sit in the ride vehicle, the tube, hold on and maintain your proper riding position, everyone in the entire family can experience this. And another thing that I think that you guys will notice when you ride this, I would categorize this as a family thrill experience. So there's definitely a significant thrilling component to this ride experience, but the entire family can also enjoy it. So you guys will get a chance to ride that soon. This attraction, Tassie's Underwater Twist, will open to the general public on March 15th, this Friday. But as we always do, we're going to have our past members be the first to ride, and they'll be able to ride starting tomorrow and Thursday. So truly, you guys truly are the first to ride and experience this attraction. So once again, thank you guys for coming out.
I just finished media day for their newest slide, which is incredible. Tassie's Underwater Twist was by far the most unique water slide I've ever been on, with the projection screens. Seeing the ads and seeing all that, I was thinking to myself, I know water slides go by really quick. So I was kind of like, are you really going to be able to see anything? Sure enough, your raft starts to slow down and you can really see everything that's going on. It's a wild, wild ride. It opens this Friday on March 15th. So you guys have to come out and check it out for yourself if you have any interest at all in water parks. I really do appreciate you guys always watching and supporting this channel. If you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Theme Park Groupie.